I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within 12 months. Once done, enable two-step verification and link or create an AdSense account so revenue can flow. Make sure your channel has a focused niche and at least 3 to 5 polished uploads that represent your style. This early content shows reviewers' quality and intent. By starting these steps immediately, you avoid waiting later and position your channel for steady growth and a smoother application. Once eligibility and basics are set, audit every video for reuse or copyright risk and remove or edit borderline clips. YouTube values original content. Then optimize metadata, craft searchable titles, keyword-rich descriptions, and attention-grabbing thumbnails to increase click-through rate. Make playlists and use end screens and pinned comments to guide viewers and boost session watch time. Make sure analytics monitor traffic sources and retention. That data tells you what to double down on and why it moves your application forward. When thresholds are met, apply in YouTube Studio under monetization and follow prompts to link AdSense and accept terms. You'll receive a channel review, respond quickly to any questions, clear strikes, and update branding or content that violates policies. If approved, set up ad formats and payment details. If rejected, don't panic. Review the rejection reason, correct the specific issues, remove content, improve originality, or fix metadata and reapply after 30 days. A key troubleshooting tip: preserve analytics snapshots to prove fixes during re-review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.